Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we have a 2016 Hyundai Tucson. The Tucson's powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and made it up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the Hyundai Tucson, we have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. The vehicle does have blind spot detection and traction control as well. You do have phone connectivity and your audio controls and cruise control on your steering wheel there as well. We do have 48,889 kilometers on the odometer of the Tucson here. We do have the little touch screen up top here for your audio controls. Single zone climate control. Heated front seats here as well. We have lots of outlets. An auxiliary outlet and a USB charging port. We got our manual shifter here. Drive mode as well. Vehicle can be an eco or sport. Downhill descent and a center locking differential for any tricky situations. All black interior, and then our cloth sport heated seats up front. Take a look at the exterior of the Tucson. We do have the 17-inch wheel and tire package, color matched door handles and mirror caps, rear tinted privacy windows. Coming to the rear, we got those big red tail lamps, backup camera as well, Tucson all-wheel drive badging on the tailgate. Looking at the interior here, second row, very well maintained cloth 60/40 split. Cup holders that fold down from the center. Behind seat storage. We got our heat and AC vents there as well. Quick fold down seats, giving us access to the trunk here. Lots of room back there and outlets in the back if you need some electricity out of the back. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. If this is your next all-wheel drive 5-passenger SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.